Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 mechanical keyboards of 2026. Whether you're a gamer, a programmer, or just someone who loves the feel of a mechanical keyboard, we have something for everyone. Let's get started with our first pick. Introducing the AULA F75 Pro Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. Priced at $69.99, this 75% hot-swappable custom keyboard is designed for versatility and style. Featuring pre-lubed Reaper switches, it offers a satisfying tactile feel, ensuring your typing experience is both comfortable and efficient. One of its standout features is the integrated knob, which allows for easy volume control and other customizable functions, enhancing your workflow. The AULA F75 Pro also boasts RGB backlighting, with a variety of lighting modes that can brighten up your gaming setup or office space. This keyboard connects via 2.4 GHz, USB-C, or Bluetooth 5.0, making it perfect for users who switch between devices frequently. The side-printed PBT keycaps not only contribute to the keyboard's durability but also provide a unique aesthetic that sets it apart from competitors. With a solid rating of 4.6 out of 5, it's clear that users appreciate both the performance and the design of this keyboard. If you're looking for a well-rounded option that merges functionality with style, the AULA F75 Pro is a fantastic choice. Next up, we have the Cherry KC200MX wired mechanical office keyboard, which is available for $63.88. This keyboard features the highly regarded MX2A silent red switches, designed specifically for a quieter typing experience. This is perfect for those who work in shared spaces or simply prefer a more subdued sound while typing. The modern design of the Cherry KC200 is complemented by its aluminum surface, giving it a sleek and professional appearance that fits seamlessly into any office environment. With a USB-A connection, setup is simple and straightforward. Available in black and bronze, the keyboard not only performs excellently but also looks great on your desk. Users have rated it 4.5 out of 5, citing its comfort for long typing sessions and its impressive durability. The silent keys are a game changer, allowing you to work without disturbing those around you. If you're in search of a reliable, professional-grade keyboard that combines elegance with functionality, the Cherry KC200 should be on your radar. Coming in at number 3 is the Redragon Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, priced affordably at just $29.99. This wired keyboard offers 11 programmable backlit modes, allowing users to customize their lighting experience for gaming or simply to match their setup. It features hot-swappable red switches, making it easy to customize and replace the key switches without needing to solder. This is an excellent feature for gamers who like to tweak their keyboard to perfection. The keyboard also utilizes anti-ghosting technology, which ensures that multiple key presses are registered accurately, a crucial aspect for fast-paced gaming scenarios. With double-shot PBT keycaps, the Redragon keyboard is designed for longevity and resistance against wear. Rated at 4.3 out of 5, users appreciate its value for money and the performance it delivers, especially considering its low price point. If you need a reliable gaming keyboard that won't break the bank while still providing excellent features, the Redragon Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is definitely worth considering. Our fourth pick is the AULA F75 75% wireless mechanical keyboard, priced at $66.99. This keyboard is another excellent option for those who prefer a compact layout without compromising on functionality. The hot-swappable creamy switches are pre-lubed, offering a smooth typing experience that many users rave about. With connectivity options including 2.4 GHz, Type-C, and Bluetooth 5.0, you can easily connect to multiple devices and switch between them effortlessly. The RGB backlighting adds a vibrant touch, allowing for personalization according to your mood or gaming environment. Rated 4.7 out of 5, it's clear that users value the keyboard's build quality and the responsive nature of the keys. The AULA F75 is designed for gamers and typists alike, providing a comfortable typing experience whether you're engaged in a marathon gaming session or writing a long report. If you want a stylish, efficient keyboard that doesn't take up too much space, the AULA F75 is a fantastic addition to your setup. Lastly, we have the Logitech MX Mechanical Wireless Illuminated Keyboard, available for $179.99. This low-profile, full-size keyboard is perfect for professionals who value aesthetics as much as functionality. It features smart backlighting that automatically adjusts to your environment, ensuring visibility in all lighting conditions. The keyboard supports pairing with up to 3 devices simultaneously via Bluetooth, making it incredibly versatile for users who switch between their computer, tablet, and smartphone. With a rechargeable battery that can last up to 15 days on a single charge, you won't need to worry about frequent charging interruptions. Rated 4.2 out of 5, users appreciate its premium build quality and the tactile feedback of the keys, which enhance typing speed and accuracy. If you're in search of a keyboard that marries cutting-edge technology with a sleek design, the Logitech MX Mechanical is a top-tier choice for any serious professional. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 5 mechanical keyboards of 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for more information on these products. Happy typing!